Come test drive the 2015 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, remote power door locks, power sunroof, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, driver memory seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.